Hi everyone, I just want to share with you a traveller's notebook that I've made. This one is a fabric and lace cover, and I used a digital kit from ARTYmaze called Patchwork Botanicals, and there is other ephemera in there as well. So this is the cover, and it's got this lovely wide lace that goes all the way back to the back cover, and it's open so you can actually tuck things inside there. It's just held closed with this organza ribbon. Sorry, I need to clear my throat. And it has some ephemera tucked in here, and this lace on top of there, and it's got some crocheted trim and some fabric tabs. So the ephemera that I've popped in there is just these 3 pieces here, and you don't have to keep it in there. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and the link to that will be below. So let me just make sure I'm in frame. So I've got a pocket on the inside cover, and I've made some tags and just put them in there. And this is some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Sorry, my hands are all covered in ink and all sorts of stuff. They are clean, I just can't get the ink off. The papers here are from the Patchwork Botanicals, like I said, and I'm not sure if there is a traveller's notebook kit, but this is the full size one, and I've just turned it into a traveller's notebook size. So that flips out, and we have some ephemera and a postcard there. And we have a doily and a paper bag, crocheted trim, lots of places to journal. Another page from the kit that flips out, and then you've got a pocket here, and in the pocket you have a tag and you have a postcard, and in the back here you have a tag from the kit, and this opens out like so. So there's additional journaling space, and we have on here we have a doily, a ticket and a butterfly, and then this all just pops in. And the tag, and then this just closes over. I've got a tag here, some lined paper, some printable ledge paper, which is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and I've just paper clipped on here, if I can get that off, some ephemera and a little double journaling card. And the fabric tab on the lined paper. This is a really pretty page. Here we have another pocket with a tag and some ephemera. A doily, a paper bag, some more coffee dyed paper, another page from the kit. There's actually lots of pages on that with that kit, but I've only used some of them. Flip up here, and there's just ephemera tucked in there. Just sit that way. This piece of ephemera, another double journaling card, and a little tag with a stamped butterfly, another tag, some lined paper, some printable music paper, and here we just have an assortment of ephemera, and I just caught that a little bit there, and a tag from the kit. Some more crocheted trim, centre of the signature. This flips out, and you have some more ephemera inside there. Another flip out here with a corner tuck with a tag and some more ephemera. flip out here. Paper bag pocket with an envelope and excuse me, and a little journaling card inside there. Another paper clip there, and it's just got this ephemera. There's lots of little flip outs in this one. Fabric tab, another flip out here with some ephemera and a postcard. Another pocket here, tag and a journaling card. Another flip out, some crocheted trim, journaling card inside the paper bag pocket, a doily, and this is another flip out, and it has ephemera, a tag and another journaling card. And then this all flips out, so you've got all that journaling space. And the, oh, it'd be easier if I put this in first with the tag and the journaling card. Pocket in the back with a journaling card and a tag. And like I said, on the back here it's open, so you could actually tuck things inside there as well. So that is the journal. I will tie that in a minute because it takes me ages to tie a bow. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.